Hello there, here we are again, this time for Form 4. In Form 4 we are to select a scenario, and I chose scenario 1, where Carol, the algebra teacher, wants to begin an online distance learning course for algebra. And she meets with her students for the first time. So here she needs to assess where these students are. So she needs to consider, will these students be willing to embrace the ideal of this new delivery method for learning online? Also, will the institution and other faculty members support her and the students in this delivery method? And as Spector stated, that the quality of online education needs to be equivalent to face-to-face education. Will this be the case in her class? So Simmons stated that a well-designed course needs to draw in the learner. It needs to engage them in unusual activities, and it needs to provide opportunities for exploration and new learning experiences. So she's going to come into this class and she's going to have to assess these students. And the first thing she probably would want to provide them with is a syllabus. The syllabus will show everyone what is expected of them. The students will know what's expected of them. They'll know what kind of assistance the instructor or the institution will provide. It will give them dates and policies and let them know what they need to do and when they need to do it. So then the instructor needs to assess their accessibility to things like computers or tablets, or will it be more of a BYOB, where you bring your own device? Well, what about those students who can't afford those devices? And will they have access to resources, like if they're special needs students, will there be accommodations made for them? Additionally, what about communication? Will these students be able to communicate peer-to-peer or with their instructor? Will it be email, chat room, forums? Will they have access to a library, whether it be online or brick and mortar? What about the assessment and their ability to access assignments, how to submit them? She needs to consider all this. Will these students be prepared for this? So in addition to assessing her students, she needs to create learning objectives that will enhance their learning through this online resource. She also needs to find ways to fulfill students' needs for feedback. Students require and crave that feedback. How am I doing? How can I do better? So that's just the beginning of what an instructor will need to look at. Thank you. Goodbye.